In a FinnCERES and Aalto University spin-off, a sustainable wood-based replacement for plastic foams was created by the scientists behind the startup Woamy. This unique technology mimics the directional strength of wood, resulting in an exceptionally strong and light foam. The Woamy foam is highly protective and soft, yet non-toxic, fully bio-based, and recyclable in paper and cardboard streams.
We designed it to be a drop-in replacement for Styrofoam. Basically, it's thermo-mouldable, so if you have a heat press, you can take a sheet of this foam wood material, put it in the heat press and compress it, and it will stay in shape.
The key innovation behind the technology relies on a deep understanding of material physics, applied to a novel production process for the creation of a multifunctional product with adjustable mechanical properties thanks to the extrusion process.
During the extrusion process, the bubbles elongate. And when you have elongated bubbles in your foam, the fibers orient with these elongated bubbles. And so at the end, you get fibers between bubbles that are all pointing in the same direction. This gives the strength. Compression strength is 40 times stronger along the fibers than across the fibers. And this enables us to do very lightweight structures.
Woamy's patented technology is scalable and easily adjustable for diverse customer needs, making it an ideal solution for high-volume market adoption and positive environmental impact.